Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use Magnifier on a Samsung Galaxy Book. And to do this we'll need to click on the Start, open the settings, go for ease of access, now find Magnifier and make sure to activate it. Now following the instructions we'll need to press the Windows logo key plus with plus to turn on the Magnifier, and press Windows logo with escape to turn it off. So let's try it out. I'm gonna turn it off now, and then Windows plus, and it turns on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.